Today we're solving this exponential equation using natural logarithms. Step 1, take the natural log of both sides, which means multiply both sides by ln. For step 2, we apply the logarithm power rule. When you take the natural log of something raised to a power, like the natural log of a raised to the b, you can bring the exponent down in front. So it may not be intuitive at first, but the whole exponent in this case is the x plus 2 and the x minus 4. So you bring the entire x plus 2 and x minus 4 down to where it's in front, and that entire thing is multiplied by the natural logarithm of 6 and 5 respectively. So you distribute in step 3, where the x and the 2 are both multiplied by the natural log of 6 on the left, and the x and the negative 4 are multiplied by the natural log of 5 on the right. Those are added on the left and subtracted on the right due to the negative sign of the negative 4. So for step 4, put terms with x on one side and the constants on the other side. So just using some basic algebra, whatever you subtract on one side, you have to do to the other. Whatever you add on one side, you have to do to the other. And we'll keep this negative 4 times the natural log of 5, and we'll just subtract the natural log of 6, or minus 2 times the natural log of 6, like this. This cancels, and the first part we did over here also cancels. Step 5, you're going to factor out the variable on the left. So you factor out x. And what factoring out a variable is doing is reversing distribution. So if you distributed that x back in, you would get what you have there on the top. And this part sets up the final step in which you're going to isolate the variable to solve the problem. So for step 6, you're going to solve for x. So factoring out that x allows for you to isolate it. So you divide the left side by the natural log of 6 minus the natural log of 5. And just so I don't have to write this over, you also divide the right side by negative 4 times the natural log of 5 minus 2 times the natural log of 6 divided by what we divided the left side by. And if you calculated this out, you would get negative 54.96481, and this would be rounded to 4 decimal places.